Forsyth County, northwestern Guilford County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kernersville, or 9 miles southeast of Walnut Cove, moving southwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Kernersville, Summerfield, Churchillville, Walkertown, Such Garden, Colfax, and Ballers Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Forsyth and Guilford.